Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about top 4 programming language for beginner who are preparing for placement at any IT companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, CTS, etc. Campus placement scenario in Tier 3 college. Leave it. Because you all know. Anyway, let's go for off-campus placement. Guys, to get placed at any IT organization, first you have to pick a programming language, then acquire some knowledge, then practice. Thus, anyone can get a job in IT industry easily. I am numbering 4 programming language, first, second, third and fourth, but these all are equivalent. You can pick anyone. I will put C at first position because C is taught in second year of B.tech. So it will be easier to start learning C. Learning C is very necessary. C is medium level language. We can use C as scripting language. C is mainly used to create many types of applications and operating system such as Windows, Oracle database, Git, Python interpreter. In simple terms, C is mother of programming language. C is used in back-end development of Google, YouTube and many more big organizations. At number 2, I will put Java. Java is most popular programming language. Java syntax are little longer than other language. It is bit harder to learn, but if you get it, then it will be great. Do you wanna know the organization name uses Java? Okay, let's see. Uber, Airbnb, Google, Amazon, Pinterest, Microsoft, etc. Guys, as I told you earlier that Java is most popular language and almost all organizations are using this programming language. So if you could learn Java, this will be great. At number 3, I will put C++. C++ is best choice for competitive programmer. Guys, I am just numbering it 1, 2, 3, 4, but all are equivalent. You can choose any of these. But C++ is also a great choice. Now let's talk about C++. I personally like C++ too much. This is my favorite language. C++ is just an extension version of C, most likable language for competitive coding. Now as per your interest, I have to tell use case of C++ also. So these are LinkedIn, Opera, NASA, Netflix, Adobe and many more. At number 4, I will suggest Python. Python is short and sweet language. Python is easy to learn, read and write, free and open source, and this is the simplest language. Python is used in Facebook, Instagram, Code, etc. Guys, these all 4 languages are boss, so you can choose anyone. But if you choose Java or C++, this will be great choice. And personally, I would not suggest you to choose Python because it is quite easy. So your concept will not develop as much as required. So go for either C or C++ or Java. And friend, basically organization uses lots of language together. So these all languages are very good. You can choose any one of these. And guys, one bonus information is in YouTube you will get lots of free classes and videos of all of these 4 languages. You will get help from internet easily. That's it for today. Keep learning and keep growing. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.